call. This is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, when I'm going to show you how you can fix if your phone is stuck in some logo that you can't move your phone or you see black screen of that. So first thing first, you have to do a force reset of your phone. Let's follow the things. So we follow some combination here. Here, this side of the phone, you can see volume rocker key, the down volume button and the power button you have to hold together for this purpose. So let's do together. So these two, as this. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Don't let it go. Hold till you see Samsung logo or something as this. It will go down black. Wait. When you see Samsung logo, you release. Very simple. After that, you can use your phone. If you can't do that, you have more issue. Then you have to check if you have, for example, if you have a black screen and it's not working. In this case, you have to check your charger. You have to check with a new charger, new cable. You could have another problem. After force resetting, if it's not working, you can take a cotton. You can tap all over your phone, all over the way. You can massage with a cotton or with your hand all over. Sometimes happen, some of the connector, this part, they are loose and it's not charging your phone or something happen. After massaging your phone couple of times, hard pressing all over, be careful, don't crack your skin though. Then you can try with force reset again, it may fix. So this is the way you can fix your Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone if it's stuck. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.